The real Anna doesn't give up.
The real Michelle is simple but hardworking.
Hello, Emirates loves Philippines. This is Ana Vicente, and I'm an entrepreneur and an actress.
Hi everyone, this is Michelle Vita and I'm a proud Filipino.
We grew up together, not naman literally, but we've been friends since 7 years old. We started together, modeling, fashion shows, commercials. Dati kasi, way back in the Philippines, kapag commercial model, so ang dami nyo talaga. As in, ako, nung bata ako, nilolook for, parang hindi ako super serious about it. Gusto ko lang makita yung sarili ko sa TV, tapos ang nilolook forward ko lang, every time mag-VTR ako, to get to see my friends, ganyan. Kasi iba yung bonding namin.
Nag-school kami, before kami mag-artista talaga, na-mention na nag-commercial kami, ganyan. And then yung commercial modeling kasi, kayang-kayang isabay yung school doon. So, kami, tinutuloy pa rin namin yung pag-school namin. And then, nung nag-college kami,
Sa same school! We started Aces Prestige August 2022 sa Manila. We started in Manila. Actually, we would like to venture into something na magtatatak. If mawala man yung showbiz, kasi it's not forever, we would like to start as young as possible. We ventured into a business na we love, which is health and beauty, health and wellness. I wanted to do it with her. Parang there's no one I want to do the business with rather than my best friend.
Bakit hindi, diba? And I think yun din naman naging lesson nung nangyari nung pandemic eh. Ang dami nangyari, ang dami nawala ng work, ganyan. Yung gusto mo talagang job na gawin nung time na yon, nawala lahat yon. So I think yun din nung tinuro nung time na yon na bakit hindi tayo mag-try ng iba or mag-isip ng iba or sumubok ng iba or mag-risk, matuto mag-risk.
So, siguro if tatanong niyo ako, bakit Dubai? Kasi yun yung pinaka maraming Filipinos na it's the place to be sa business. It's a good place to start with the kids as well. It's very conducive for the kids. Tapos, malaki yung pinagbago ko talaga dito sa Dubai. Kasi in the Philippines, alam mo yun, kasi business owner ka eh, so people think highly of you. Here in Dubai, it's very humbling. Doon ko naranasan yung talagang ikaw yung maglalako ng products mo. Ikaw yung mag-i-introduce ng sarili mo. Magpapakilala ng business mo. Sa Manila, I don't do it. You have other people to do that for you. But now, ako, ang naisip ko, I wanna make it big. So if I wanna make it big, I have to make extra effort.
I grew up kasi talaga tulungan ko yung family ko eh. Expenses sa house, tuition fees. Parang relationship ko with my family na hindi yung parang tinutulungan nila ako or yung the usual na sila yung nagpapaaral, ganyan, sila yung nagpo-provide. So, lumaki ako talaga na I'm helping them talaga.
They're my inspiration. They keep me going. My family, my parents, my sisters, and the babies as well. Sila yung biggest why ko. Why am I doing this? Why am I, pushing more and more every day.
So whatever happens, kahit mag-fail ka sa life, kahit may gawin kang mali, yung family mo yung mag-iintindi sa'yo and nandyan para sa'yo.
If you really want to do something, you don't have to be at the age of 30. You don't have to reach that age. If you really want to do something and if you have a goal, simulan mo.
Kailangan talaga natin matuto mag-risk. Kailangan natin maghanap ng options. Huwag tayong matakot. Yun yung pinakauna. Kasi yun din naman yung naramdaman namin. Hindi lang sa business, pati sa showbiz, natakot kami din kung ano ba mangyayari sa amin, if makukuha ba kami, ganyan. Pero kahit ang daming rejections, ang daming tinanggihan na kami, hindi kami nakuha, ganyan, laban lang. Parang iiyak mo lang. Kung ang hirap, iiyak mo lang.
I want to be remembered as someone who's hardworking. Isang tao na kahit ano pa man yung napagdaanan sa life, hindi magi-give up. Pilitin kong tumayo sa sarili kong paa,
Siguro gusto ko lang maalala na hindi malaki or hindi grand or parang special eh. Pero siguro gusto ko lang maalala na hindi parang negative. Gusto ko like positive na nakatulong ako sa tao, ganyan. Since nga nakakwento ko na growing up, tinutulungan ko yung family ko. So I want to be remembered na nakatulong din ako sa ibang tao, hindi lang yung family ko.